This recording was made March 12, 2012. I was in Des Moines, and the reflections off of the automobiles and houses was so extreme that I made a recording. When I viewed the recording, I saw that there were images projected into my car. They're visible in the back seat, and a large blue face was projected on my windshield. And I showed this to my insurance agent. He told me that there's been a GPS installed on my car that the gaming drone could track, so they could project images on me from vehicles or maybe even their own home computers. So I'll play the recording. This vehicle right behind me has that light for no reason. It's just shining from somewhere. Now here comes the image into the back seat. Right there. Looks like big lips on the seat. And I slowly turn the camera on, but you can see the reflection. And images are visible on the ceiling. I believe they're coming out of the lights in my car, the dome light and the rear visor. They've completely wired my car to be a part of this game. Images. But here's the blue face projected on my windshield. You can see it. There's the eye, there's teeth, mouth, there's the nose and chin. Looks like another person right behind it.